Hello guys, today our topic is how to get bank loan in USA. In this video, how to easily apply for a bank loan in USA. Apply for a personal loan without ever leaving your personal couch. Quick fund for all your needs. If you are not a current USA bank customer, or personal loan could give you quick access to funds for your one-time financial needs up to $25,000. We consider your credit score, debit to income, credit history, and other factors when make approval decision. The final loan amount, annual percentage rate, and estimated monthly payment may vary based on your credit score and other credit qualifiers. If you are a US bank customer, you may borrow at least $1,000 up to $50,000, as low as 8.74% APR. If approved, you will pay the same amount every month for a term of 12 to 84 months, maximum 60 months for a non-customers with a fixed annual percentage rate APR ranging from 8.74% to 24.99% APR. No hidden costs or fees. When you are take a personal loan, you will pay no organization fee or and other is no permanent penalty. You are always free to make loan payments ahead in part or in full. No collateral required. A personal loan does not require your home or car as collateral. You do not have to deal with the inspections or appraisals. Where a personal loan may be right for you, you may personally loan for a purchase or project. One-time funding can help our vacation, home renovation, medical bills, and consular debates. Also, thank you for watching this video.